about 20, I'm going nowhere. AKA MVP on him. Why would I take you up on this trip? You wasn't with me shooting a gym. Opportunity, my hands, I can't slip.
All right, so check me out. So we got the Acura TL 2007 right here. As you can tell, this car needs a do-over. You know what I'm saying? New paint job. The car is kind of rusting. Not kind of, but you can tell the car is rusting up top. So new paint job for sure. Got a dent, I think. Forgot how that happened. I think I got hit one time. I don't remember though. It's been a while since, you know what I'm saying, this car's been touched. And you can tell that it's dirty. Just taking a glimpse at everything. Door handles. Also need to get this door fixed too. Kind of slightly open at the top. What else we want to check out? Definitely gotta do a paint job. Car is rusting. Hasn't been used in a minute. And I forgot what we use this tape for. It's probably something with the window that had to be fixed. So, cracks.
All right, so let me know what you guys think about the Acura. Let me know what you guys think about the car. I know it's not as bad as, you know, other cars, but it still needs to work, especially the outside just needs to be repainted and the inside with the seats and touching up on the dashboard. But I'm gonna take you guys throughout the journey because I'm gonna make this car fire again. It's going to be fire. It's gonna be one to be reckoned with on the road. Y'all guys, let me know, what should I call this car? Like, I need to come up with some names because I know it's gonna be a lot of episodes dropped just from this car, so I need a cool name. Drop down your suggestions in the comments, and also if you have any suggestions on what I should do with the car as far as repair wise, also comment them down below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next episodes.